Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? It's still your girl Favor Beauty World channel. In this particular channel, I brought to you guys beauty, fashion, everything that has to do with beauty, hairstyle transformation, name it. I have it in this particular channel. So in this particular video, I've brought together so many beautiful, creative, and mind-blowing hairstyle transformation for you, my beautiful lady. This particular ones, or should I say mainly the ones you'll be seeing in this video, has a touch of Koroba braid hairstyle. Like, I mean those round stuff, the way they arranged it. That is what I mean by Koroba braid hairstyle. So most of the braids you'll be seeing in this particular video has a touch of it. Even though it is versatile, it has different styles, but it just have a little touch of it. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are in the right place. You're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where we'll make videos about beauty, fashion, and everything that has to do with beauty transformation, hairstyle transformation. Please click on the subscribe button to support us to join this family. And again, do not forget to share out this video. Do not forget to leave a comment. Let me ask, this particular Koroba braid hairstyle, when the braid was trending, did you try it out? Did you like it? If yes, tell us your experience. If you did not actually try it out, tell us why you did not try it out. Is it that you didn't like it, or you didn't see who will make it for you? Or is it that you did not see the ones you like? Or if there is anyone you like in this particular video, just let us know. Tell us that you like this particular one and this is why you like it. Please, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Your love, your support means a lot, means everything to me. I actually appreciate you guys so much. Or if you have been watching my video, if you have been my viewer without subscribing, please hit on the subscribe button to join this family. Subscription is actually free. You're not paying for it. Just show me love by subscribing, and also show me love by hitting the subscribe button because it's actually free. Look at this particular one now. It is so versatile. Please do well to check out other of our videos in this channel too, because I have so many hairstyle transformation, so many hairstyle tips, braid transformation in this particular channel that I'm sure that you will love. So guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.